to another episode of Immortal Horse, and in today's episode I'm going to show you a really cheap way you can make your Mustang look a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more racier for less than $50. So the way to do that is just by simply ordering a carbon fiber gas cap. It sticks on with 3M tape and it makes the car look phenomenal. So below I'll be showing you guys exactly, below in the link you'll see exactly where to buy that carbon fiber gas cap and then how to install it. I think this looks great. I get compliments on my car all the time. Let me know what you guys think, and hope you enjoyed today's video.